Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for having an ability to import STL 3D models to Unity directly. Okay, for having this feature we should go and come over here. Kjero made this great package, Unity Rust STL. I will share the link of this package into the description of this video. And you just need to come over here, click on code and download zip for the whole project of this package, and after that import assets folder into your projects folder. After that I changed the name of it to STL Loader, and here you will see this scripts over here and a sample scene. And remember, inside the assets folder there is another folder for streaming assets. Make sure you replace and move this streaming assets folder into your assets folder. I copied here streaming assets, and here there is a 3D model for sample scene, 3dbenchy.stl. Whenever you want to drag and drop your STL models, you need to put them inside the streaming assets folder. So let's come back to STL Loader, click on test, and look at this. Here there is a camera, and here a camera pivot, and this is mesh. And this mesh has STL mesh loader. And there is a file name string here. This is the name of that STL file you need to write with the format .stl. It is important. You come over here, streaming assets. Look at this, 3D Benchy. So you need to copy this name and put it here. Now I play the scene. And look at this. This is it. This is our 3D model, which is .stl. Perfect. Now I want to try with another 3D model. It is the sample 3D model. Now I want to try with another one. You can find many 3D models with .stl format here, printables.com and models. And here you can find many objects. I will share the link of this website into the description of this video as well. So let's try with this guy. Click on this and look at this. This is download, and it is very high quality 3D model, and you can make your own gun. And if you click on it, you will see different parts of this 3D model are here. Look at this, and even you can download the whole 3D model, with all pieces. I downloaded this guy. It is 6 megabytes. It is here inside my here. Now I need to drag and drop here. Perfect. Now I just need to copy the name of it. Copy and come over here, mesh, and I keep .stl and I paste the name over here. So the name of this 3D model and .stl. And now play the scene. Perfect. This is my gun. Very beautiful. Look at this. Now, as you can see, this is a simple mesh. You can add any material or any collider, anything you want. So it is fully mesh, high quality. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.